Ever worry about missing an important Slack message? Don't stress. I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up email notifications on Slack so you stay in the loop, even when you're off the app. Step 1. Open Slack on your desktop or web app and click your profile icon in the lower left corner. From the menu, select Preferences. Step 2. In the Preferences window, head to the Notifications section. This is where all the magic happens. You control how and when Slack notifies you. Step 3. Scroll down to the When I'm not active on desktop section. Toggle the option to receive email notifications when you're inactive. Now, any missed direct messages or mentions will land right in your inbox. Step 4. Want more control? You can customize how often Slack sends these email updates because no one likes email overload. And that's it. You've just set up email notifications on Slack. Now, you'll never miss a beat, even when you're away from your workspace. If this tutorial saved your day, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.